Msaitar is a fully personalized bicycle grip shaped to your hand, styled with AI and 3D printed in flexible TPU, giving you total control over comfort and design. The process of ordering your handle starts by scanning your hand on a grid paper. From that image, key dimensions are extracted and used to digitally shape a custom grip that fits your hand perfectly through the process of parametric design. The model is then enhanced visually using AI tools like Viscom, based on the user's preferences. Next, the internal lattice structure is chosen for the right level of flexibility. Once finalized, the entire grip is 3D printed in flexible TPU. No mold, no waste, just a fully personalized product ready to ride.